Hi, good afternoon, everyone. So, thanks for joining another webinar. So, today we have come up with the topics how to do a word file automation in UiPath. So, in the 2 to 3 week back ago, we have worked in one RPA project implementations where our one of the customers they have such kind of use cases. So basically, they are receiving some files and they want to be prepare some Word documents. With this Word document, they have to prepare the PDF documents. So we have explored Word automation activities, and we come to know that lots of things are there, which maybe some of the people they have explored, maybe they haven't explored. But we would like to demonstrate you everyone that how easily we can do the Word automations, because whenever we have to copy paste some data from Excel to another Excel, or we can do easily with some references, cell points. But always in a Word automation, we don't have any reference point. Okay, that's a challenge. But anyway, UiPath is always they are always evolving their product, and always they have come up with new activities. So same we have figured out for the Word automation also. They have Word activities as well. So here you can copy your data from your Excel sheets or in a data table. You can put it in some format. So if you want to be prepare some of a data in a format. So let's say, for example, appraisals are there. So the HR have to prepare the appraisals letters. So format it's same, but data is continuously getting changed. So with this Word automation, they can prepare the appraisal letters, or if they wanted to create offer letters. So many of the things which we are doing the Word automation with the same format, only data is getting changed. So many things we can do it. Same thing in a Word automation using UiPath, we can do it. So that's all about we are going to discuss today. Okay. So today, Pankaj is our senior RPA developer. He's really, enthusiastic to taking new topics and uh, share his knowledge to the entire community. So yeah, Pankaj, you can start now.
Thanks, Amit. Hello team. This is Pankaj Gaur. I'm working as a senior RP developer at Step One Step Ahead. So today's topic is how to do Word file automation in UiPath. I will present you something related to Word. So let's start it. So today's agenda is to first what is Word automation, and then we will continue with what are the activities present in UiPath for Word, and then we will do a demonstration, and if you have a query, then we will try to resolve it. So what is Word automation? Word automation helps to create the Word document that may contains a text file or a picture and a table and many more. We can work with all kind of things we are using in Word automation. So we can create a document like Amit said. We can create our offer letters and many more documents. So we can use Word automation for this kind of thing. And then there's from many activities is given by UiPath for Word application. So for that we used to have a Word application in the system, and then for automation in UiPath you will be required a package called as a UiPath.word.activities. So with use of this package we can use the Word automation. So there are some set of activities here listed. I have listed over here. So activities like Word application scope. We have like in Excel, we have a Excel application scope. So in the same way, we have to use Word application scope for Word application. And the next is read text. So we can read the entire text present in the Word document. We can save the document as in the different format of Word like doc, doc, and 4 to 5 formats there to save. We can and then save the document as PDF. We can save the document as a PDF and then replace text in the document. If we have any have to replace some text in present document, so we can replace that. Append text like the same way we append some string or file in the file, some text in the file. So in the same way, we can append the text in the Word document. Then after we can add the picture in the Word document, and then we can also add some data table. Data table in the sense we can add some table in your document. With the use of hyperlink, we can add the hyperlink to the documents, and then we can also add the chart into the documents, and replace some picture in the document, and then just set bookmark content. We can use the use Word document as to set the bookmark. Yes, so let's see some virtual demonstration over here. So for these are the use cases. I have 5 use cases that I will show you in the demo. So let's see what the use cases one by one. So first I will be reading some Excel file, and that I will put it in the data in the document. So let's start the demonstration. So yeah. So first of all, I will show you how to add those packages. So first of all, you have to go to manage packages, and on the all packages, you have to search for UiPath.word.activity. You have to install this package, and after installing, you can use these packages. And for now, this package is already installed in my system, so it is showing as saved, already installed. So for now, I'm going to read some Excel file, and will be saving the file. And then so let's get some sequence first. Word. Okay.
So team, here we have one Excel sheet.
So team, yeah. So team,
So let's say we have to create the employee details Word documents, right? And these are all the employee details are present in your Excel database or in whatever database. Okay, so these database we need to be printed, or we need to add it in our sample documents. So Pankaj, can you just open the sample documents?
Yeah.
Sample Word document. So let's have these employee details sample Word documents are there. For example, with your companies. So please check the below employee details. So this kind of information, this kind of word letter, suppose you have to share with someone else, right? In a Word format. So this is a sample format. Okay. And your data is coming from the Excel sheets. Now you want to add these data, whatever employee details are there, those are continuously getting changed, and you have to prepare this document with this sample format. So using this use case, you can achieve these things here. Okay. Yeah, Pankaj, now let's start.
Yeah. Excellent. And so for now, first of all, I will be reading that Excel file. So I'm going to read the Excel file first. So first of all,
so here you can see the integration between the two applications. One is the Excel, second is the Word, right? So whatever activities are there regarding the Excel Word, that we need to be added in this your sequence. Okay.
So first of all, I have read the data within the present in the Excel, and then I will be using Word application scope to read the Word file, to working with the Word file. So our Word file is employee details. So we have used this. So now we have to add that data table in the Word file. So what I will do, I will just search for that Word. So here we have an activity called as insert data table in document. So we can insert our data table within that document. So the data table is, so Dative Word Excel is the data table. So with the use of that, so we can add, give the position where to add our table. So I have given the position at the end. So Based on that, we have some option. Click on document, text. So yeah, so we are using data table. So I'm adding it at the end of the document. So just saved it and running the file. Yeah. So execution has been started. Yeah, you can see it has been automatically added in the Word. So I show you the document first, how it is looking. So yeah, here is the way I have added the table in the Word. So
Great,
yeah.
great. So guys, hope you have seen that and I hope you enjoy with this use case. So you can see how, I mean, it's really challenges whenever client asking, okay, they want to print some data tables or you want to print some table here. It's always challenging how we can print those table is there. But using this activity, we can simply do it. It's just a few minutes jobs only.
Yes.
I hope you got the use case, this one. Any question here?
Hello.
Yes,
Yeah.
Sony.
Yeah. Hi, Pankaj. Sony here. So
Yes, Sony.
here we have entered the data table. Is it possible to do the text bold or we can highlight with the colors?
Yeah, we have to
But
do the R&D only. We can do.
if it is formatted in Excel itself, if we have done bold in Excel or highlighted in Excel only, so it will
No,
paste
it
the
is
same format in document, right?
right.
So let me answer this question to Sony you. So Sony, you know, there's in Excel, there's a copy paste activities there. So in a copy paste activities, there's an option. You want to copy data in all the format with the headers, with the colors. Okay. So you have to read so you don't need to read, don't you use the read range activity. Okay. You have to use the copy paste activity. So once a copy and the data it will show in their table. So using this way, you can achieve these things here.
Okay, yeah, got it. Thank you.
Great.
Should I move to second use case? Or is there any question?
I don't think so. We don't have any question because people understand. It's very straightforward. Let's go ahead.
So, yeah, okay. So I'm moving towards the next use case. So next use case is replace some text in document or Word document. So consider this is a document. So let's say consider this is the employee details. So we have to change some details over there. So we just give some details over there, and we have entered. So consider we are creating some data, some according to some name. Name. We are creating some document related to some specific employees. So name, address. We are adding some details over here.
So Pankaj, so do you mean to say that? So let's say for now the in a previous use case, all everyone employees data in a table format that we have created. But now for each employee, if you needed a single details of every employee, so
Yeah, yeah,
those things in our document you can do. So
yeah.
this is the format, name, ID, address, and there you printed whatever the information of individual employees. Is it correct?
Yes, yes. For
Perfect.
specific employee. So what
Very
I
good.
will do, I will just there is an activity called as replace text. So with the help of this, I can do that. So instead of doing Excel, I will just go to replace text in document. So our text, I will change the text name. What I will do, I will replace the name with consider my name. And then the same way I can replace the ID to consider add to address. Address consider number. So in this way, I just saved it. I'm running this.
So we have three parameters are there: name, ID, address. So
Address.
that's we've added these activities 3 times, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can see it has replaced the name, now ID, now address. So all this parameter has been updated. So I show you in the word form application. So you can see name is Pankaj Gaur, ID and address has been updated. So we can format it easily and we can work with that.
So okay. So just me add one more thing here. So guys, now Pankaj has given the hard coded those parameters, but suppose if your data in a Excel sheet, so let's say in a previous example there were total 5 rows are there, and the 5 rows, if you want to create the separate documents, so using this activity you can do it, but the only things, you have to read the data, you have to iterate the loops, okay, using the for each row, this activity you have to create the program that manner, and then for every single record, it will create the documents like in this way Pankaj is showing. So I think
Yes.
we all know about how to iterate this process same again and again. Okay, so that's why we're not keeping this part here. But the main logic is important to understand how to create a separate Word documents and with the replace the text. Using the create every employee's single document with this individual informations. So using a replace text document with this activity, you can do it.
Yes. So
Any question here?
so let's move to the next use case, with text from the Word file. So consider we have a Word file, we have to read all the text present in the Word. So consider this Word file as it is, I just saved it, and we'll read this text file. Read text. So we have to save it as a string.
So Pankaj, what is this use case?
So here we will read the whole text Word file. All the text present in the Word, we can read all the text.
Okay, so can you just show us exactly from which file you are reading all the text?
Yeah. So consider this file only. So this is consider this is the sample file. We will text over our employee details. Please check the below employee details. Yeah. So these are the details we are having. So we can read this text as a we can read the text. So for now, what I will do, I will read this file and will show this file in the text file.
Okay, okay.
So using this read text activity, I can read the text file, Word file. And now what I will do, I will just put all the file. First of all, I will put some message box. So to show you, so what are the text is came from the Word. After that, I will write that text in a text file. So the text is this, and I just
So it's similar like that in Excel. Whenever we have to read any data, we have a read range activity, read cell activity. So here we have a read text activity, right, Pankaj?
Yes, 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 yes.
Good.
So, so output will be shown within this text file. I will show you by running this process, this sequence. So I open the file. So yeah, you can see the text present in the this employee details. Please check the value details name. So it has been read and okay. Now it has been completed. You can see those things over present over in the text file. So any question over here? It is similar like we are using the reading the text from the text file and in this it is similar kind of thing. Here we have to use photo only for the word.
Sheikh Jani has asked Pankaj, can we read specific data? It's not like whole document. Can we read like second line or specific paragraph or keyword from starting from some keyword? Is there any extra one?
Can we read specific data? Not all. No, it is a read text. It will read a whole data.
Like generally we have read in PDF or like anchor based activity. So is there any option? We can proceed further, Pankaj.
Okay. So we will there so proceeding further. So we will be saving the document as a there is a two more activities to save the document. Yeah. So what I will do for now for this saving the document. So our document is in the DO this format in this format. DOs. I will show you the properties of this. Dot docs format is there for this document. Now UiPath provides us the there is an activity that provides us the saving the document in different formats. So some formats is there. I show you. Yeah. So this is the form. This is the activity we are from which we can have. These are the format in which we can save the document. So yes, so we have saved the document in this dox format. Let's save the document in dot plain text. So save. So I shall just enter the document path. I have run that. So now let's see what is being saved. So you can see this is the format. You can see our document is being saved in the text format. So there's a different format we can save the file. Let's see another document. It's been saved in the HTML format. Let's see if it has been done or not. You can see it has been saved in HTML format. Let's open it in browser. Yeah, you can see employee details. These are the details it is showing. Then after save in another format like or as top format. So you can see our document in this format.
Great to see all these. I mean, if you're using one activity, we can get so many different type of documents.
Yes, yes. I show you what this HTML format is very good. Saving is
Mhm.
getting in like this. You can use this activity for many places.
Yeah,
For presenting some, running some like a table, and we can share the details with the client. So it will be very helpful for saving these details or document in this file. So it will be good.
true. Even if you want to present your bot execution report, okay,
Yeah,
using this way, you can creating HTML. So whatever format it's there, you can keep it as it. Suppose in Excel, and you want to be to just create quickly Word documents and save in HTML. So your client
yeah,
will see the bot execution in HTML.
yeah.
Excellent,
Yeah.
excellent.
So even we can save this activity in the document. So next our use case is saving the document as a PDF. So we can save the document as a PDF as well. So I'm saving the document as a PDF. So I will just do the part of it. The same document will be saved in the PDF file. So let's see. So you can see a PDF file over here. Yeah. Step. People, so you have different options to save. So yes, anyone have a queries?
Perfect, Pankaj. Thanks for demonstrating all the use cases. So let me recap what we have covered in this user session. Can you just go to the slides?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so we have covered. So if you have data in some Excel sheets and you want to pull it, you have to create a one documents. Okay, so with referring your sample document, so you can create a multiple documents with pulling a data from the Excel sheets that we have covered. Or suppose if you want to create the Word document with the individual informations for individual employees. Okay, so let's say you have the hired employees details and you want to create the individual word their offer letters. So using this replace some text in a Word document, this activity that you can create. Suppose if you want to read some information from the Word documents and you want to I'm as any information, so that you can easily read using a read text from the Word files. And then you have to save your document in different format, HTMLs or different Word formats, right? So that you can do with document save. And last, it is commonly used whenever we are creating a Word document. We need to be published in a PDF file. So it applicable to every industries in day-to-day life you're doing. So using this document saved as PDF, with this activity we can do it. So great to see all these five real time use cases which we are dealing with day-to-day life with your different functions, HR, finance, accounting, uh, different function, I can say finance, insurance, because generally we are dealing with the word files, and it's better to understand these word documentations and how simply we can automate these other use cases using the UiPath word automation activities. So great, Pankaj. Thank you for the giving this wonderful demonstration and a real hands-on demonstration, I can say here. Great. So the team, we are ready for answer your questions. Any questions you have, you can answer. You can ask us. We'll answer you. Yeah, there's a no question I can see in a chat, because I think the way Pankaj you explained, that's really awesome, because people understand what is the purpose, how to use, why we need to implement these things. So they have, so end to end we have covered. So I don't think so people have any questions. So still, guys, while doing the implementation in your projects, okay, if you're still facing any issues with the word automation, if you require any help, you can feel free to connect with Pankaj. So Pankaj will really help you. And whatever documentation he created, he will share on Drive. So you can access this recording also with you. So that we can do. So great. So we have covered how to use the word automation in UiPath. So this topic we have covered. And thanks again, Pankaj, to demonstrating in very good manner, I can say here. So today, our founder and director, Swati Gaukar, she's also there. Hi, Swati. Can you hear us?
Yeah, Amit. So
Yeah.
this is very good initiative which we have taken, and every Saturday team members are explaining their experiences and with the use cases. That is very important. So I would like to thank Pankaj first of all for this wonderful session and in detail, because I have joined from the start and I have seen one by one, like we have covered step by step use cases. It is not like we are directly jumping into the only one thing, and this is very importantly use case for the HR where they wanted to create offer letters. Then it is the use case for maybe mediclaim companies or insurance company where they will be using the same documentation with the name and age, maybe address change, or in the loan document. So there are multiple use cases I can think of by using this particular whatever like functionality Pankaj have shown.
Yeah. So thank you, everyone. Thanks for joining. And like also, those are the people that are watching our videos. So thanks for the watchings. And if you have any suggestions, any feedbacks, or you also want to participate, just let us know. We will also share the invitation to you guys as well. Okay, great.